Welcome to Catherine to Paint. Today I am doing a bloom technique swipe and then spin it out. So I'm having so much fun with the spinner, I want to try other things on it. So all the materials will be listed below, but I can name the paints as we go along. So this is Dioxizine Purple by Liquitex Basics. Just gonna start. This is an apple barrel turquoise, aquamarine. Liquitex Basics turquoise. This is a FolkArt Metallics Gold. And then I have a little bit of Primary Elements Sweet Thistle. So I don't have a whole lot of this, but we are going to put down what we have because it's better than wasting it. I love to change up colors and use different colors, but then you know, you gotta use the colors you've already have made up too. So they do keep for a while if you put the lid on. If you just get up and walk away and just let them dry out, then no, they don't last. I've accidentally done that before. Like something will come up and then I have to get up and go deal with it, and then I come back and I'm like, I forgot to cover my paints. It's not good. Alright, there we go. Alright. Okay, this is rather kind of messy, isn't it? But let's just get to it. I'm going to put the topper down the middle. Alright, I'm going to take a wet paper towel, not a wet paper towel, just a dry paper towel. I'm going to set it down on there. Directly on the topper. Try to pull it. Alright. Interesting. Now let's just do it from the other direction. Okay, I need it to touch all the way across. There we go. Eek. Okay. Looks fairly decent. Of course, there's a couple of spots maybe that use a little touch up, but probably that's just going to get spun off anyway, but we're going to go ahead and try to help it out a little bit. Alright, I think that's good. I think it'll be fine. We're going to spin it out. So, I guess without further ado, let's start spinning this baby. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's keep spinning. Woo, this one has a lot of action. Action means lacing, in case you're wondering. All right, wow. I'm just gonna keep going. I got it out of center. You know, I'm really new at this whole spinning thing, so I think it's done pretty good so far. I haven't stuck my hand in it while it's spinning, which seriously sounds like something I would do. All right, now I'm wondering if I should just tilt it a little. I want it off of that end and a little bit off of this end, so. We're already out of paint. All right, I think I am going to probably make a mistake, but I am going to put a little paint on this corner right here, see if that helps it pull off. That could totally be the case. Let's just hang with it and see if we can get that off of there. Shift it back this way again. All right, I think I am gonna call it done. It's not terrible. It was a lot of fun. I like a lot of the effects. I wish this corner had done better. But all in all, really, it's really interesting. So let me bring you down for a close-up. Gotta get these hands clean now. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here are the wet close-ups. So the right hand corner, going up to the upper right hand corner, over to the left hand upper corner, and down to the lower left hand corner. Here's the action in the middle. Lots of lacing all down that center line, of course. That's where your main lacing is going to be. Of course, it goes all the way out. Woo! It's really pretty. This lower left corner is the bane of my existence. So I don't know. But anyway, I might do something to fix that. We'll see. I usually can fix stuff, but I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, wait, no. You definitely want to see the dried results on this one. All right, so hold on a minute. All right, here are the dried results of this one. Let's just go in for some close-ups. There's the lower right. Lots and lots of action going on in here. Lots of lacing. There's the upper right-hand corner. Over to the upper left. The middle line is so pretty. It's not straight, but that doesn't bother me. And now this line doesn't bother me either. At the bottom, the lower left corner, that doesn't bother me. At first it did because I really wanted it to go off, but it wouldn't. So here's some of the middle. That lacing is stunning. Look at all those little cells. This is a lot of fun. So you guys let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.